This is a new CVM-D400, the ideal multi-channel power analyzer to centralize in a single device the reading of multiple existing loads or circuits, reducing space and installation time. Analyzing energy consumption and the evolution of electrical parameters is fundamental in any electrical installation. One of the most efficient ways to obtain a global overview is to centralize all the information in a single measurement device. But what's new with the new CVM-D400? 1. Integrated memory. The device includes memory for data logging, storing information from the last 15 days. This data can be downloaded through its web server in a computer or a mobile device, generating a CSV file that you can easily share via email or WhatsApp. 2. Load grouping by labels. Describe the purpose of each circuit or load in your installation, and the analyzer will automatically group them without requiring any programming actions. The device directly displays the total consumption of each usage group, such as lighting or air conditioning, either on the screen or via the web server. 3. Auto-wiring system. This system simplifies the setup process. It allows you to solve any connection issue without the need to rewire the device. It detects possible wiring errors and allows you to correct them remotely. But this solution not only optimizes the space in the panel, but also the installation costs. It is self-powered from the same electrical grid, using the power cables to supply energy to the device. In addition, you can communicate it via Wi-Fi, Ethernet or RS485, reducing integration costs. The device is available in various models, depending on the type of the installation. For new installation, efficient transformers are required. MC1 for single-phase lines or loads, and MC3 for three-phase lines or loads. And for installations where it's not possible to interrupt the supply, we have split-core transformer SCV1. The CVM-D400 series offers versatility, connectivity, and ease of operation. Therefore, is an excellent solution for centralizing your consumption in a single device.